Welcome to my channel. See how I'm up and it.
Alright, so this is the model. What I did, I took it apart, and this right here is just the gears. There's some plastic gears inside, and then the actual model come to the gear on one end inside and make, you know, both ends spin in one direction. So what I did, I opened them up and I weld this nut right here, as you can see right there. So when I spin that with a drill, or you know, with any power tools, or by hand with a ratchet, it will spin the whole model and make it work. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it and see how it goes. And this is the welder that I use. You gotta make sure you use a gas welder. That will make sure the nut is not gonna come off when you try to, you know, use it. All right, so let me go ahead and do that and see how it goes. So this is the idea, you know, with a drill, put it right here. And you can make it. See how it's going. And then switch it the other way. Just like that. So let's go. This is how it looked back here. Those are the gears. Well, the cable that connected the gears. And then those cables run to another motor right here. As you can see right there in the back. But that one doesn't use any power. So as long as you can get it to spin over here, it will make those two motors bring the top down, the convertible top. All right, so I'm gonna hook up the motor. Hook it up right here. I'm gonna set it the way they had it. They just had it with zip tie. I'm gonna just set it right there with zip tie, and then we can put the drill right here and see what happens. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so there it is. This you just thread it by hand. You don't need no crazy, you know, plier to get it tight. Just by hand, all the way in by hand right there, all the way in. So now this is where I'm gonna put my zip tie here. Gotta get it under here. Obviously, you know, it's gonna go on top. And I'm gonna hold it with a 3-zip tie the way they had it. And look, we can hook up the drill right there. So let me go ahead and do that. It's hot over here. My goodness. All right. So I got the zip tie on. I'm sweating. It's super hot. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unhook it from here. Portable top here. Portable top right there. All right, so now I gotta get my drill. Can't reach it. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so now I know it worked. Let me set the camera outside so you can see. You don't want to overdo it.
working in the driveway.
Man.
Son, man, what are you doing? At least it's not black glass. That's how you do it.